Extend the output tray on the top on the printer. Open the print cartridge door. Grasp the handle on the old toner cartridge and remove it. Remove the new toner cartridge from its packaging. Holding the cartridge from its sides, shake the cartridge a few times to fully distribute the toner throughout the cartridge. Be careful not to touch the drum. Remove the seal, if present. Insert the cartridge into the printer. Close the top cover of the printer. Your printer is now ready to work.